After just a couple of hours driving from Palm Springs, we arrived in Los Angeles, and here you can see the hidden paradise that we booked in West Hollywood. The amazing weather, the beautiful flowers, and the cute little houses all contribute to the great vibes that you feel as soon as you arrive here, and that I hope you can feel too by watching my videos. This is a very trendy neighborhood, and if you keep watching until the end, you will definitely understand why, and you will probably laugh about it, at least a little bit. Hi everybody, today I'm in a very special place. I'm in Charlie Chaplin home in Los Angeles. So both my outfit and my ketogenic recipe are inspired by him. These are the delicious ingredients that you will need to prepare keto raw skewers. Wooden sticks are definitely a must-have. Then blackberries, but be careful not to buy very soft ones. Then fresh basil leaves. I only found these very big ones, but if you use little leaves, your skewers will look and taste better than mine. This basil is truly gigantic. I've never seen such a big one in my entire life, but it should be organic and not genetically modified, so let's hope it will taste great. You will need also mini mozzarellas and vinegar. My husband bought this one, but you can use your favorite vinegar. Just keep an eye on the nutritional label, because it can have hidden sugar like the balsamic that is forbidden in keto. Let's start preparing this dish by washing our blackberries. This sounds like an easy step, but it's the secret tip of these skewers. In fact, we will wash the berries with vinegar instead of water. It will give them a very special flavor that will match perfectly with both our mini mozzarellas and our maxi basil. The skewers will be very easy to prepare. You will only need to alternate one mozzarella, one blackberry and one basil leaf. This is a keto dish that is really fun to do with your kids. I'm sure they will love it, and you will teach them how easy and delicious can be to eat healthy. Just a quick reminder of the carbohydrates content in berries. Considering just the digestible carbs, it means that I'm not counting the fibers. If we use a quantity of 100 grams, that is about 3.5 ounces, you will find 5 grams of carbs in raspberries and blackberries, 6 grams in strawberries and 12 grams in blueberries. My source is the Diet Doctor page. He is a Swedish doctor and a very reliable source of information about low carb, high fat. As I told you before, this recipe has been inspired by Charlie Chaplin, an English comic actor very famous in the area of silent film. I'm sure you all remember his peculiar walk and his funny stick cane. Skewers seem to me really perfect to remember his elegant style. Plus, the black and white of the berries and the mini mozzarellas are a tribute to old Hollywood with its black and white movies. Maybe it's just me, but keto can be really creative. We must forget what we cannot eat anymore and be inspired by all the low-carb, high-fat, delicious ingredients. Our skewers are ready, so it's time to set the table and to eat them. If you'd like to add more healthy fat to this dish, I suggest you to sprinkle it with extra virgin olive oil. Since we are in California, we are trying to eat al fresco as many times as possible because we cannot do it in Sweden nor in Italy. So we'll enjoy this keto aperitivo on the terrace while admiring an amazing sunset because life is too short and unpredictable not to cherish moments like this. I really hope you like today's special recipe and you will consider subscribing to my channel. See you here with a ketogenic video in English on Monday, but also with the same video in Spanish on Wednesday and in Italian on Friday. See you soon! If you'd like to see how crazy and fun this city is, keep watching because after the outro you will be happily surprised. I will show you how to prepare West Hollywood is a paradise for YouTubers and Instagrammers. They definitely took social media to the next level. Colorful dresses, colorful walls and sunshine are made to take amazing pictures and videos. So come here for a walk because it is super fun and people are so happy that even craziness is good.